This will be the leasing. To lease it from the 6 on up is all the residential. And then this is a deck that goes all the way around the building. They're actually going to put furniture out here. People I think there's like, we probably have 7 units. You have access from the living room and the bedroom. Top of this roof. Yeah, because I'll be this floor here. But everything else when you're looking out, and at nighttime it's all lit up. It's just beautiful. Which one's the big thing? It's behind us.
It's the bedroom. It's really cute.